Today, we're going to be talking about Claw flows with OpenClaw, which basically gives superpowers for your AI agents. So this is a powerful workflow system that's completely free for OpenClaw. It includes 111 workflows pre-built you can enable in one click. You see some awesome automations right here. If you've ever wondered, okay, what can I do with OpenClaw? What could I build? What could I create? There are some amazing workflows to see it, and you can get this to be set up really quickly. Now, there's two ways you can install this, and again, it's completely free and open source right here. I'm going to be guiding you through this. One thing that I'll come on to in a second before you install this is how to check for security and that sort of thing. So we'll do that in a second. But if you do want to install it, you can basically just take this and then go into OpenClaw and get it installed. So let me show you how it works. So I can say, for example, install this, and then what it will actually do is take that GitHub and install 111 workflows in one single click directly to OpenClaw, right? Now, this is amazing because the skills are free, right? OpenClaw itself is free as well. And even the API that I'm using right now, which is Minimax M 2.7 Cloud on Llama, is free as well. We've got tons of training on YouTube on how to set that up. But basically, the main point here is like you can easily enable a ton of automatic workflows using this process. You can have a look at some of these workflows right here. So, for example, it can even control your smart home. If you've got a smart home, if you want to connect this, you can use it like so. Right, so you can actually control like your lights and stuff like that, your thermostat, if you want to connect it directly. Bear in mind, like it's not just going to automatically set that up. You just start setting this up. But basically, this is how it works directly. Right now, if we go directly inside OpenClaw now, we have installed the workflows, right? So literally it was a one-click install, boom shakalaka, it's set up the workflows, it's installed them directly, and now Clawflows is live with 111 workflows installed. Now, here's the other cool thing. OpenClaw has a great memory, right? It can remember you, it knows what you're working on, it knows what's important to you, it knows what you do day to day. Why is that important? Because based on these 111 workflows, you're not going to use them all, right? Like nobody's going to use all of those from day one. But what this can do is actually give you the highest value workflows personalized to you and your situation and what you tend to work on. So for example, here it says Clawflows is live, 111 workflows installed. Here's the highest and most value tasks that you could start doing, right? So for example, here, send morning briefing, curate your reading list, track your habits, draft social media posts, all sorts of amazing stuff that we could start using directly, right? And so if we, for example, did this one, right? Send the morning briefing. Let's try that one, right? So I'm going to say, okay. And you can see here, it says, you want me to enable for you? I'd suggest starting with these. So I'm going to go with number one, right? We'll just type number one right there. And then from here, it should start using that workflow and setting it up as a scheduled task. Now, why is this important? It's important because it's going to save you time. It's going to give you tons of use cases that you can actually use to make OpenClaw useful. A lot of people install OpenClaw, but they have no idea what to do with it or where to start or some examples of what you can build with this. This just makes it way easier and way more powerful. And again, all of this is free. The API is free, OpenClaw is free, and the skills themselves are free as well. Now, there's all sorts of amazing stuff like you can see right here. They've got all sorts of workflows for health. They've got workflows for home. They have like even meal planning workflows and stuff like that, which is pretty crazy. So you can get a weekly meal plan based on you, what's in season, your calendar, and also like, for example, your grocery list and that sort of thing. You've got, for example, communication workflows, social workflows, and probably the most important if you're a business owner watching this is like the productivity stuff, right? So you can actually look at your tasks and you could plan your week. You could review your week, right? You could do a reflection right here. You could review your month, right? There's just all sorts of scheduled tasks. Now, these are all things that we probably know we should be working on, but we just don't because we forget or we get busy or we don't have reminders. This solves all of that, right? And it's just a free, easy way to set this up. So really powerful way to just start using this directly. There's also a bunch of community created workflows here too. And if you're wondering how to use it, literally you just talk to it in plain English, right? It's not rocket science here. If we go back to OpenClaw now, you can see that the morning briefing is enabled. So we'll get a daily briefing at 7 a.m. With all of these details. We can also enable the other two if we want to as well. So if we click yes, it will come up with that as well. So OpenClaw makes the extra effort to take all of those workflows, look at all the data that it's got and be like, right, Julian, you need this, this, and this. This is what's going to save you time. And so it's super powerful, easy way to use it and to get the most out of OpenClaw. And also it's just great for inspiration, right? You could look through some of these workflows and be like, do you know what? I like the sound of that, but I don't necessarily want to install all these. I'm just going to take that idea and then use Claude to write it myself, right? So really easy way to just start using this and getting the most out of OpenClaw. And so what is this? What actually is Claw Flows? Well, basically, it's Claw Flows gives your OpenClaw superpowers, right? So it's a collection of powerful pre-built agent workflows you can switch on. So it's kind of like an app store for AI agents. Instead of you coming up with the automations directly or coding them yourself or coming up with the ideas, Claw Flows installs all of it for you. Now, why does this matter? Because quite often people don't know how to use OpenClaw properly, right? They don't know how to get the most of it. They don't know what automations they can even do with OpenClaw. Now, also, there's a bunch of commands you can use here. So you can turn workflows on, workflows off. You can see what's available. You can get the latest workflows. So you can actually update this because I think it is regularly updated and there's a lot of people contributing to this as well. But it looks awesome. Now, one of the things I was going to say here before you install this, right, is like just have a look through the skill MD files and make sure you're comfortable with using them. If you look through them and you're like, do you know what? I don't think it's a good idea to install that. Well, then don't install it, right? Or what you can actually do is take, for example, a skill like this, and then just go over to Claude or to OpenClaw and say, create a skill like this, but customize it to me, make it more useful. And then good thing about that is it's a more secure way of adding skills to your OpenClaw. It's based on the inspiration from ClawFlows, but you can just custom tailor it to you, right? And I think that's even more powerful. So that's how I would use it. That's how you can set it up. If you ever want to uninstall it, you can just say, okay, uninstall this, right? And then you can just remove it instantly as well. So either way, you get the most out of this. If you're wondering, okay, like how does the scheduling work? Well, basically what this is doing is creating scheduled tasks inside OpenClaw. So for example, like sending the morning briefing. And then if you go over to your scheduled tasks over here, you can see what's scheduled day to day. You can see what's going to be worked on next, right? You can see what scheduled tasks OpenClaw works on day to day. And then you can always delete them as well if you want to inside the chat or directly inside the scheduled tasks dashboard. But either way, it's just an easy way to get way more out of OpenClaw for free and super powerful and easy to use. Now, you could also just create your own workflow as well. If we say, if we looked through ClawFlows here, right, and we were like, do you know what? Let's have a look at this one. Let's have a look at this block deep work, for example. Right. So this can scan your calendar for the day and protect your focus time, right? So you can find gaps between meetings and block like 2 to 3 hour windows inside your calendar for uninterrupted deep work, right? Now, maybe you like the idea of that, but you don't want to install all of these workflows or you don't want to install any of them, right? So you could go directly into OpenClaw here and take that idea and say, create your own version of this, but 100% tailored and personalized to me, right? And so I've done that right there. I've pasted in the details of the skill, but now I can create my own skill that's personalized to me and just way more powerful. So that's basically how it goes. Now, there's two ways really to use this. Like I think, you know, because skills are not always secure when you're installing this stuff. ClawFlows looks good, looks great. I would just like if you, and you can actually see inside the contributors here, you actually got Claude as one of the contributors, which is pretty crazy, right? But again, like you can just create your own if you don't want to install these. You can just build your own. You can use this as inspiration, right? And that sort of thing. So some examples of what you can actually do. You could have like a meeting prep workflow. You could have a content creator setup. You could have analytics brief. You could have something that's good for community management and that sort of thing. But basically, what you've learned today is how to set up ClawFlows, which is a collection of pre-built automated workflows for OpenClaw that runs on a schedule. And it requires very little effort from you. You can install it with one command. You just copy and paste the terminal link into or the GitHub link directly into OpenClaw. You can enable workflows with this command, or you can just tell it which ones you want. You could start with something as simple as a morning brief and then just go from there. You could build your own workflows. And then also you can create your own skills based on these. And the goal here is like your AI works for you 24/7, not just when you remember to install it. So this is an awesome upgrade, awesome free way to start using it. It's available at ClawFlows inside GitHub, as you can see. Loads of cool ideas here, lots of stuff that I've never thought about when it comes to using OpenClaw, and you can get started right away. Now, if you want to get a full framework on how to use this and also a daily 30-day plan on how to get the most of this with day-by-day prompts, as you can see, and also if you want to get 100 prompts for using this with OpenClaw, you can get that directly inside the video notes from today in the AI Profit Boardroom, link in the comments description, or go to the AIProfitBoardroom.com. And inside this community, basically, is focused on helping you learn, save time, and grow with AI automation. So you can ask questions inside the community. There's always people online, which means you get help and support whenever you need it. You can jump inside the calendar and get live coaching for AI automation, get help and support, share your screen, ask community members, etc. You can connect with people locally inside the map and DM them and meet up in real life. And we actually have over 138 pages of testimonials and wins and reviews from awesome people inside the AI profit board and getting results, right? So it's pretty much an infinite scroll of people just winning and learning and growing with this stuff and actually implementing it rather than just watching videos about it. So if you want to implement this inside your business, definitely check this out. If you want to get my best training, so you can go inside Classroom here. You can go from like beginner to expert with AI automation and learn how to build your first AI agent in under 5 minutes. You can also get my best business playbooks on how to automate Twitter and newsletters and shorts and Instagram and AI avatar videos. If you want to learn the full roadmap from today, go inside the SOP update section here. You get all the video notes, the 30-day roadmap, and the 100 prompts inside here. You can also get a full 6-hour course on how to use OpenClaw and another 3-hour course right here. And we update this every single day. So it's the most active AI community I've ever come across. It's very active, lots of cool stuff happening every single day. New video tutorials, new roadmaps, new tutorials, just covering the latest, most useful stuff for you. You can also learn how to get more clients to the agency course. You can watch back the coaching calls over here if you don't make them live. You can learn how to rank #1 with AI SEO, and you can also learn how to grow a YouTube channel with AI based on what's working for me. So that's all inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Link in the comment description, or just go to the AIProfitBoardroom.com to get access.